What's up, guys, and welcome back to Aphlabs, and today we're going to be striking a creeper with lightning. Just to see how cool it looks, because, once again, this place has been Doodle translated. And then for a bonus experiment, we'll translate a mushroom. That's 4 now. Wow, that's certainly intimidating. Let's kill it. We have a 2-block radius with no blocks. Now, as I promised, one experiment of starting a mushroom. Wait, I missed it. And let's try another one. I just go 46 and... Whoa! There's this one. Well, I don't want that to explode it. I'll just use the cheat fish on them. And then use a metal pointy stick to the button. And bam, no more evidence. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.